Hello everyone, my name is James, and in today's video, I'm gonna be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror, in my opinion, one of my favorite games. In today's video, we're gonna be just checking out like the two new maps they added, which is next spots and it should be hallways. Yeah, I don't get why they don't add maps over there, but they're doing something. So. Oh, I think I fell out of the map. So I guess I'm gonna cut it to when I can actually get into the map and it works. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go. Yo, I remember this map.
Why is my trolling actually faster? He's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
Yeah, so am I. Oh, he's behind me! Run! He's right behind us.
Skibbity toilet!
He got me out of the map.
Bro, she just
You just let it happen when you get jump scared. You just let it happen. You don't run away from the group. You go near the group when you die.
I'm back as fuck.
I had to fucking stop running my fuck. I literally just fucking 2 fucking minutes ago.
Yo, chill!
It's a fucking loud train! It's a fucking loud
Yeah, that's super loud.
It's a fucking loud train!
Bro, not even kidding. They should change PE's name to wake up and get back problems in the morning.
Fuck yeah.
No, like I'll sit here, I walk into PE and I'm like, hell no. Like they want me to do like 15 curl ups on the hard ass floor.
I'm checking out the map.
Yeah, that's really loud. Okay, so it seems it lags inside of the maps, but it doesn't lag here anymore. So, anyways, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and check out Nextbots now. Now, it's Nextbots. I don't know what I have to explain. Let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, I'm recording. I will be putting a volume warning, just for the people. Oh my god, it's Nextbots again! I remember. Yo, shut up! Guys, they can't touch you if you're in a hole. That's what she said.
I know, that's why I'm jumping into this random hole.
Look good, bitch.
Oh.
Oh, I hit to level 2. Jump, you want?
Level 2? There's level 2? What?
Where? Yeah.
Follow me. The fuck you mean there's a level 2? Oh, wait. Why do I keep cussing?
Remember that Cupertino was the most jolliest place to ever exist?
Jolly Holly Christmas with my guys, if I'm dying, you're all dying.
You suck.
We all flow.
Well, I killed them, not you, so be glad.
We all flow.
Nah, hey, that's not nice.
20 bucks. Dies first.
Oh, hell no, there is a level 2. Let's go!
Oh, I stuck him in my butt. I stuck him in my butt.
Where is it?
Well, anyways, while y'all do that, I'm gonna go find the next there.
My penis!
I just wanna play a normal game!
body.
Yo, Sandhead, that's why he died. I don't even know if that's the same
Level
one.
1 and then this level.
Oh, fuck you. Fuck you.
Is there a level 3?
No.
No.
Ah,
Move.
he'll never find me.
Bro, stop killing
Bitch, yeah, boy. Oh,
Yo, chill!
shit.
He's after me, ain't he? Yeah, he is.
No, you can
Oh,
stop.
I'm trying to
It's safe, bro.
Yo, bro, you're safe. You're totally safe. Bro, you gotta hit the pit stop, bro. You have to hit that pit stop. You gotta stop him. Bro, just
He wants a
stop. You're
hug, bro. Give
fine.
him a hug,
You're
or he's gonna
perfectly
get more angry
fine.
and kill
I ain't
you.
giving that a hug. Look at him.
Yes.
Looks like something that police officers will stop resisting.
Bitch, move, dickhead.
No, I don't want to die. I'm too young.
Then just die.
Just die. You bitch. No. Hey.
Well, anyway, that's their problem. I'm gonna go back up. Bye, guys. Ah. Wow. Wow. Well,
I drink Jesus.
there's a cheese ball. Hi, mister. Hi, Mr. Squidward.
Yeah,
God, I hope I got the pumpkin
Just
pie.
die. Just die.
No. Why would I like it?
You can literally just come back.
This monster's a bitch. Pussy.
I feel like what Red's doing is kind of...
He died.
Yo, Orange, thank you.
Yeah.
Come here! Oh, fire! I didn't mean
God damn it.
it! Surprise! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you all!
Wait, Carter.
I don't wanna!
Wait,
I'm alive! Now I'm gonna go die on purpose.
Pumpkin guy, come here.
Save me staring
Yeah.
at you.
What's the name? What's the name? Stop right there.
My name?
Stop right there.
Stop right there. Drop down if you
James.
want 6 pieces now.
Turn it on! Wow, that was pretty fun. I mean, there's nothing really to do in those maps except for run around. Well, obviously. Fix crawl space, fix sewers. Some cosmetics. Wait, let's go check the cosmetics. Before we end the video.
Wait, guys. Can I have a question really quick? Wait, can we go to the horror mount? Can we still see together or not?
Hey, why don't I have my green thing on? Yeah!
Wait, what?
Bench.
Red? What is he called Red last time? No, he's Red.
I mean, y'all should go check out Nextbox. It's kind of funny.
Next box. Yo.
Yeah, Nextbox. It's second floor. It's kind of fun. Go check it out. It's pretty fun.
Apples, bro.
Anyways,
Purple.
anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed, yes, I know the beginning's very loud, but I'm gonna put a warning in there, so have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. My goal is to catch up with my friend Bacon VR. Pretty cool, dude. Yeah, and that's it for today's video. Goodbye, guys. Like and subscribe.